Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shakti Institute of Financial Markets. This is Avinash Holevasu. Today I am back with a new video on technical analysis of stocks. So I have analyzed 4 stocks from different sectors. I think in the last technical analysis video, I had analyzed 3 companies. One is Bajaj Finance, then Housing Development Finance Corporation HDFC, then the third one is Berger Paints. So out of these 3 stocks, 2 stocks have already surpassed their first levels and they are about to touch their second levels. So you can watch, those who have not watched my previous video on these stocks, you can just go and watch them. Technical analysis on Berger Paints, HDFC and Bajaj Finance. Berger Paints is yet to move, but other 2 stocks are already reaching their levels. So you can just have a look at that. And today's video, before I start, I just want to tell you, remind you, subscribe my videos, subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and do share my videos if you like them with your friends and relatives, right? So coming to the topic, so first stock I am going to take from the IT sector, that is Tech Mahindra, which is giving a breakout from the 50-day moving average, and right now it is somewhere around 587.60. So as per the charts, I am telling that it might go up to 617. That will be the first level. If it surpasses that level, then it will definitely move towards 636 and 672 levels in the coming 1 or 2 months of time, or maybe we can say in the short time frame. And what is supporting to this upward movement is the RSI. This is the daily chart of Tech Mahindra, as you are seeing it, 1-day chart. So on that, RSI is showing 67. So I want to tell you here is, any stock whose RSI is above 60, right? So RSI is an indicator, technical indicator, which shows the strength of the trend. So here the RSI is somewhere around 66.80 or 67, we can tell. The stock which has an RSI above 60 will be having high momentum. So the strength here is likely to be intact, and it is likely to be achieving, like Tech Mahindra is going to achieve these 3 levels very soon. So those who wants to buy the stock, they can start accumulating at current levels, and for this the stop loss will be around 560 levels. So you have to maintain that, because technically always when you have targets, you also have a stop loss which has to be followed. And the next stock is from oil and gas sector, that is BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. For many days, these stocks were underperforming. Oil marketing companies were underperforming, and from last few trading sessions, they have picked up. There was a news from the government that some disinvestment is going to be happening, but due to this COVID-19 pandemic, everything has been shelved now. So whenever the news was coming from the government's positive news, it was like we had some very good momentum happening in BPCL, HPCL and IOC. And now when there is no news, the stock was again touching new lows. But from recent trends, the stock has come out from those shadows, and now it is giving a breakout. And the levels which we have marked on the chart is 411 will be the first level. As of now, BPCL is somewhere around 396. So 411 will be the first level. Then 430 will be the second level. 442 will be the third level. So for short term, BPCL is a buy with these targets, and stop loss will be somewhere around 330 levels. So plan your risk and reward ratio and if you want to buy it, then you can definitely start accumulating this, and you can see it's a W shape, double bottom happening around this level, and already it has crossed the neckline of this W, what we call. So it is heading towards those levels and will be achieved very soon. Then the third stock is almost traders' favorite, Tata Motors. Tata Motors was like in a very narrow range trading from last so many days. It was neither moving up, neither going down. It was somewhere between 60 to 80 levels. So within that 20 rupees range, it was trading around. And now we have finally got a breakout, and Tata Motors has successfully crossed 100, 110 and now 115 levels. So that was a major resistance at 110, and now it has crossed and it is trading above that. So our technically our view is Tata Motors is going to reach 129 first level, and the second level will be 140, and RSI is already it is around 80 levels. So definitely there will be some strength which is going to be happening in Tata Motors for short term at least. So one has to look for these targets, and the stop loss will be 81 rupees, right? And the last stock is again the Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance, I had done it in the previous video also, and this time also it is looking good on charts. RSI is 62. Currently it is trading somewhere around 2500 levels. So our assumption is the first level is 2570, second level will be 2706, then 2950, right? So these are the four stocks selected from different sector. Bajaj Finance is from NBFC, Tata Motors is from automobile commercial segment, BPCL from oil and gas, then Tech Mahindra from IT sector, right? So have a look at these stocks, and do invest if you want to invest at these levels. These stocks are looking very good on charts, and definitely very soon they are going to reach these targets. And as of the market conditions, Nifty, which is trading about 10,000, there is no worry unless it's trade about 10,000. In our Nifty view video also, Nifty view for short term, I had told that if it surpasses 9,600 level, then definitely 10,200 level will be the level where it is going to be reached, and it happened same. So always technical charts or technical analysis works. So one has to learn or need these skills for trading or investment in stock markets. So to learn about, if you are interested in learning these skills and upgrade your knowledge, or if you want to learn these skills and improve your trading tricks or techniques, then definitely you can join our courses. You can go to www.sifmtrainings.com, have a look at the courses which are available, get the details, and if you want to get registered yourself, then do call on our numbers which are mentioned in our website, right? Thank you. I'll be back with some more interesting videos in the coming days. Bye.